friends, in this video we are going to learn about how to make a 500 ml high quality glass cleaner. For making high quality glass cleaner, things we required: 50 ml of glass cleaner concentrate pouch, a scissor, 500 ml empty bottle, spray, 450 ml RO water. Let's start the process. First, cut the sachet. Pour the liquid into 500 ml empty bottle. Now add 450 ml RO water into the bottle. You can see how the glass cleaner is preparing. Insert the pump and wait for 2 minutes to settle down. Our glass cleaner product is ready to use.